All right, Amazon influencers. There are a lot of different tools on the market right now. There's things like Fluencer Fruit, Viral View, Oink, and a couple others. There is a newer tool that has kind of quietly been working behind the scenes to be the all encompassing golden standard that I think a lot of people are starting to move to. It's not very well known. There's not big TikTokers and Instagram fake gurus and things like that that are hyping this up. So a lot of people don't necessarily know about it, but it is incredible what Multi-Influencer Pro has been able to do. I mean, you take any other tool on the market, because I have people ask me, oh, well, I use such and such, I use Viral, I use Oink, I use Fluencer Fruit for this, that, or the other. Can it do that? 99.9% of the time, the answer is yes. Every function, every feature, every possible little bit of information that you use from those other places, this already has. And it has a couple other things on top that nobody else has. There is nothing on the market that is quite like MIP. So I'm going to break down sort of my top 6 uses that I really like. Some of these are going to be stuff that's similar to some other tools, and a couple of these are things that are completely unique to MIP. So let's break this down. First and foremost, it is I can see the number of influencers. I can see the influencer count directly on my screen. So this is going to be similar to like Fluencer Fruit or Viral View if you use those. Let me pull up my screen here so you can see. All right, so just doing an Amazon search, you can load this up and you can see all of this information right below. So I can see the influencer video count, how many are in the upper carousel, how many are in the lower carousel, how many total roughly has this been able to draw, and it'll actually search this page from multiple instances, from multiple servers. So it's pulling a decent amount of data to get us this total. So we know that there's at least 22 different influencers who are on this. It shows us the bestseller ranking, the BSR. It shows us if there are monthly sold here on Amazon, the price, if there is a creator connection. So there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Boom. This one has a 15% creator connections and it's selling 30,000 times a month. This will also tell me if I personally have ever made a video for it. So I can see for this one, maybe I should consider investing in this because I will make a lot of money. If it's selling 30,000 times a month with a 15% commission and I don't have any videos for it, I should probably get some videos done for that. So that's the first big thing, where it shows you all of this information right here on your screen, which I think is very, very powerful. That's something that generally only Viral View has really done well. Fluencer Fruit has done it a little bit, and Oink has kind of dabbled in it, but MIP has really just been like, okay, let's just solve that equation for everybody. So that's the first big thing. The second big thing that I really like here, it's something called the power search. Now this is inside of your creator connections area. So if you look inside of creator connections, you will see this area when you get Multi-Influencer Pro. And basically you can decide exactly what kinds of things you want to search for. So for example, maybe you are looking for an investment product and so you only want to see things that have 500 monthly sales. Maybe you're looking for high priced stuff where it's got, I don't know, 200. Let's lower this a little bit so we can actually get some good live examples. Let's say it sells for over 100. All right. And let's say days left. Let's say we want like 45 days left on the campaign. Let's just press this little power search button. It's going to load up those filters. If we want to do something in here, like how about, I don't know, kitchen. We'll just do that. We're going to launch power search. This is going to just run in the background. This could run for 5 minutes. It could run for 5 hours. It's really up to you and how big of a search term you want it to do. But that's just going to go and run, and it is going to crawl. You can see it already starting to work there. It's going to crawl through every single creator connections campaign that fits your criteria. And as soon as it finds a couple, it's going to add them. So you see, these are all things that didn't fit the parameters, but it has already found 3 things that has. So at any point, we can actually press the stop button right here. We can actually glance through. Okay, so these had the word kitchen in them and they fit our parameters perfectly. There were more than 45 days, so these have 60 days left. These are over $100 and they have over 500 monthly sales. So this could be an interesting thing that you could invest in. Now they have bulk messaging as well, and there is no limit. This does not limit you to 20 messages per day. It's unlimited messages. So we just did a very refined search. This is a high quality lead. This isn't just like, let me just request everything. No, you can do very specific searches. And then within this screen, select all the ones that you want. Let's say you want those two, and you can bulk message them. You can create your own bulk messaging templates. You can cater this. Let's say you're trying to get, I don't know, some kitchenware. You can make a template that's just for kitchenware if you want to sort of advance it like that. Okay, so you can do all of your bulk messaging right in here for Creator Connections. Again, with absolutely no limit. They do not limit you to 20 messages and then make you pay twice as much to send 100 messages. You can literally send 1,000 messages every single day with just the base form of this. So very, very, very powerful there. This will auto accept your campaigns when you make videos on your storefront. And really all of the halfway decent tools should be doing this. I mean, I know Oink and Viral View both do it, but when you make a video on your storefront, if there's a Creator Connections, you should be accepting those campaigns. And this does that. It accepts all of your campaigns for all of your storefront automatically. You just press the little button for accepting all of that, and it does that. You can also actually send those brands a link to your videos. Say, hey, XYZ brand, thanks for working with us. Here's a link to the video that I made. I would love to have some continued work in the future. You can make an automated template like that, and every morning, just bloop, click your one button. It's going to accept all the campaigns that are new for that day and send all of those brands the videos that you have made so you can get continued brand deals. Now, we're going to move along into some stuff because so far these are all things that other tools have. It's like, okay, Nate, that's fine, but I can already do all that stuff. I don't need a new tool to do the stuff that I'm already doing. Here's some stuff that you cannot do. I'm going to try to share my screen here. We'll see if this works here. Exit some of this stuff. So there is an app for this. And this app is not just like a side gimmicky app. This is kind of like the big thing. So I've got a couple products here. I'm going to share my screen so you can see this. Okay. So this is me. This is my computer. But I'm streaming my phone to this. This is the MIP app. I can scan anything I want. Let's say we've got this product, okay? Usually there's barcodes. This one doesn't have a barcode, so let's search by photo. Let's see if we can find this by photo. It's going to search this, and it's again going to tell us all that information. There it is. It's that top option here, and I can see right on my screen this has 300 verified monthly sales. There's probably about 10 influencer videos. There's no upper carousel, but there is a 20% Creator Connections campaign. So we can go ahead and click on this, and this will tell us a little bit more data if you really want to dive into a lot of the different things, like the average video length for these other videos. You can actually view the other videos here. Like, hey, I recognize that guy. He watches a YouTube video. He makes YouTube videos. So you can pull up the other influencer videos in here and see what they are doing if you want to kind of compete against them or do something better. You can generate scripts. So like right in here, this is going to give you good talking points. If you have no idea what the heck this product is or what to say, boom, right here, here's some good talking points. You could even generate your own AI script for this if you want to do that. You can tag the parent ASIN or child ASINs through this. You can add this to sheets if you have certain sheets that you're saving, like, oh, potential investment product or something that I've ordered that I need to do a video for later. You can add them to sort of like your buy list. You can automatically cross-post things to eBay straight from here. So let's say you get this as a sample and you're like, I want to list this on eBay once I'm done. Boom, you can literally automatically make your eBay listings, put the photos, put the descriptions, put the titles, put all that stuff. Boom, 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 just a single click. Okay, so that's the next big thing. No other app on the market, no other tool does anything remotely close to what this is, okay? Now, it gets even cooler. You can actually record your video directly in here. I'm going to press start recording. And let's go ahead. Here's my face, okay? And we can actually turn this around. See if this works. Okay, so this is looking at me. This is looking at the product. And you see right up here, this is my script. If I want to read through this, and it gives you a couple different options too. You can rewrite this if you want. You can do whatever you want, but this is good. If you know nothing about this product, this can give me a few ideas. So we can record this. I'm going to show you guys how this works. All right, we've got this tallow body lotion. It's really nice stuff. So we got 3 minutes of shower. You don't want to put this on. Just really lock in and maximize the hydration so that water and all the hydration can stay there. It's super lightweight. You see as a white lotion here on my hands. You see, it's rub in very quickly, very easy. It's not a leave, weird, nasty residue. I feel like lathering myself up with like larded fat, things like that. It's very much a lotion. It smells like lotion. It feels like lotion. You can pair yourself with maybe a copper tie or a honey, something like that, maybe like deep nourishment overnight. But overall, this stuff is fantastic. It's nice and soft, really lock in moisture. So we're gonna get this. Stop. Done. That was an actual video that I just made here in the app. Next, it's gonna give me a couple title ideas. Okay. Let's say best for mature skin, or I tried for dry skin. Okay, I like this one. Next, but wait, there's more. We're gonna take a thumbnail image. Okay, so again, this is me. Let's start here. You could just do something basic like this. If you want that as your thumbnail, awesome, go for it. Press that button that says use as is. If you wanna go a little bit crazier, generate a thumbnail, all right? How about make this a nice review thumbnail, minimal text, outline the product. Okay, I like those instructions. Let's go with that. This is gonna take about 20 seconds. We're gonna let it ride. And actually this thumbnail portion comes completely free. You can download that thumbnail portion separately than MIP. If you just are curious about that thumbnail part, I can put a link, ask me in the comments, I'm happy to send it over. But just that portion of it, you can actually test out completely for free yourself. This is gonna generate us a nice thumbnail. And again, this is fully customizable. So if you just want like a little bit of text over, like you don't want to change anything, you don't want to make it look crazy, you just want to add like honest review or some sort of text like that, you just tell it, don't change anything, make that. Boom, here we go. Here's with my thumbnail, minimal text, worth it, question mark, little arrow pointing to the product, and it outlined me and outlined the product. Pretty basic edit. This doesn't look like crazy AI, but it definitely pops out. And so if I'm going on this listing and I could see the other people's thumbnails, none of them had really done a crazy thumbnail. I think there was one that had a little bit of text. Everyone else was just kind of holding the product. Something like this might make me pop out a little bit more and differentiate myself from some of the other folks. So I can use that as is. I could download this. If I want this on my own phone, I can do that as well. Let's just press use that. I'm going to click save review. Now this is saved to the Multi-Influencer Pro cloud, satellite, whatever they're using. This is not, it does not have to be on my phone. It can be. I could click that download button and I can get the original file on my phone, but it doesn't have to be. So this solved yet another problem that I had, another pain point that I had, which was my phone is always completely full of these stupid 1-minute videos from 6 months ago that I'm never gonna use again. I don't need these on my phone anymore. I don't want to delete them because maybe something weird happens and I might have to pull something, but like I don't really need ongoing access. This solves that. So this gives me full access. Everything is saved there and it's saved in that little My AIP videos section. So at any time I can go back to that. I can download something. I can repost something. I can cross-post something internationally. I don't have to save all of this stuff on my computer, on my phone, nothing. So again, just to reiterate, this is able to accept all of your campaigns. That's a big feature everyone uses. This is able to do your creator connection searches. This is able to do your bulk messaging without any limits at all. And actually, I didn't mention this before, but it'll also be able to check your accepted campaigns. So if you've accepted campaigns for a brand, but you don't remember doing that, it will still pull that information, which most of the other tools are not doing. Most of the other ones are only pulling new campaigns. Interesting distinction there. It's able to record your videos in the app. You're able to do those thumbnails in the app, scripts in the app, your titles in the app, your research in the app. You don't need to keep crossing over. You can pull all that information up if you are a person who uses a computer. Again, you can see the influencer count, creator connections, all that stuff directly on the Amazon pages. It's so good, guys. It's so good. I think people just don't know about this because there's not a bunch of big influencer gurus out there who are using it yet. So I'm trying to do my part and share the love because I think that this is incredible. And any feature that this doesn't have, the developer of this is insane. I've never seen a developer work this fast. I will put a bug report in at like 8 p.m. and at 10 p.m. I'll get a message. Hey, Nate, thanks for the bug report. I went ahead and fixed that for you. Like, what? Do you not eat? Do you not sleep? You put in a request for a feature. Usually within about a week, that feature has been added. So if there's something we're like, oh man, but I can't live without this. All of that looks great, but Nate, I need this one thing from this one other tool, and I can't live without that. Okay, just tell the developer, and I'll bet you he can add it within about 7 days. He is absolutely insane. The dude is a friggin' prodigy genius guy. It is wild what Multi-Influencer Pro is already able to do, and they only have just started. So I think the sky's the limit. I am very bullish on this tool. Try it out for yourself. I'll put my link down below. You can use a coupon there. You get a little like a free trial period. So try it out. Try all those features. And if you don't see something that you want, ask. Like, there's a big Discord group. Like, say, like, hey, can it do XYZ? I'm trying to do XYZ thing. Am I able to do that with MIP? And if it can't, then he's like, oh, well, we can't do that, but that's a great idea. Let me try to add that to the next update. And this thing is getting updates every week. I'm telling you guys, it's incredible. Try it out for yourself. It's going to be worth it. You are going to like it. I think it might potentially be able to replace currently every other tool on the market. It is that wild. So good luck, my friends. Go make your videos. Go make some money. We'll see you in the next one.